everyone. Are you dreaming of working at the airport, helping passengers, and making their travel experience smooth? If the answer is yes, a job as an airport ground staff member might be the perfect fit for you. Today in this video, we are going to dive into what it takes to land an airport ground staff job, the qualifications required, and the training you will need to get started. Let's start with the basics. Airport ground staff are the backbone of the airline industry, performing a wide range of crucial tasks for checking in passengers to ensuring luggage is loaded safely. But the question is, how do you get there? First, let's talk about qualifications. While the requirements can vary, most ground staff roles require at least a high school diploma or equivalent. However, many airlines and airports prefer candidates with degree in hospitality, travel, or aviation management. But here's the important part. Experience can often outweigh formal education. Many ground staff roles are entry level, which means you can gain the skills on the job. That being said, customer service experience is highly valued as you will be dealing directly with the passengers daily. Now let's talk about training. Training is a must. You will receive specialized training in areas like passenger handling, safety procedures, and emergency protocols. This can last anywhere from a few weeks to a few months depending on the role. For instance, for security-related positions, you will need to undergo aviation security training, which includes learning about safety regulations and compliance with international standards. Aviation-specific certifications such as those from the International Air Transport Association, which is also called IATA, can give you an edge in the competitive job market. It's also helpful to be proficient in languages, especially in international airports. So, how can you get your foot in the door? That's where we come in. Dynamic Staffing Services is an international recruitment agency with more than 47 years of experience placing qualified candidates in top airport roles worldwide. So whether you are just starting or looking to take your career to the next level, we can guide you through the hiring process, connect you with employers, and ensure you are prepared with the right qualifications and trainings. If you are ready to make your move, contact us directly at +91 11 40 41 0000, or you can mail us at inquiry@dss-hr.com. Thank you.
To know about the latest job openings, follow our WhatsApp channel.